Good morning, children. On previous turn, we had studied the respiratory system, right? We had studied respiratory system on previous turn. Today we are going to study pollution. So all of you take out your science book and open page number 14. Now, on page number 14, there is a heading pollution. Keep your finger here, students. Okay. So, presence of unwanted substances called pollutants in the atmosphere which can adversely affect quality of life is known as pollution. These harmful pollutants can also degrade natural resources like soil, air and water. Students, if any unwanted substances are present in our atmosphere, anywhere, in water, in air, in soil, anywhere, if unwanted substances are present in our surrounding, that this is called pollution. Okay, this is called pollution. Pollution means presence of unwanted substances. Unwanted means who no need is there. Okay, वो चीज़ें जिनकी हमें कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इस सराउंडिंग में कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, they are the waste products and they are cause harm to living beings. Okay, those are called pollutants. So that unwanted substances which are present in our surrounding, that unwanted substances are called pollutants. Okay, the pollutants are those substances which cause pollution. And pollution, what is pollution? The situation that in our surrounding unwanted substances are present. This situation is called pollution. And the substances who are polluting our atmosphere, that substances are called pollutants. Okay, so students, there are two words. The one is pollution, okay, and the other one is pollutants. You can see, okay, this is pollution, and this is pollutants. So what is pollution? Presence of unwanted substance in our surrounding which can harm to our life is called pollution. Okay, उनका present होना, this is called pollution. This situation is called pollution. And what are pollutants? जो substances present हैं जिनकी वजह से हम सबको harm हो रहा है, और जो unwanted substances present है surrounding में, उन substances को बोलते हैं pollutants. Okay, so the pollutants are the substances causing pollution. Okay. Now, these harmful pollutants can also degrade natural resources like soil, air and water. These pollutants, these unwanted substances means pollutants, can be present anywhere in our atmosphere, students, in soil, in air, in water, anywhere they can be present. Okay. Now, air pollution. What is air pollution? So students, let's see. Air pollution refers to the presence of undesirable substances in the atmosphere. When the unwanted substances are present in our air, then it is called air pollution. There are some of major factors which significantly contribute to the air pollution, and there are some causes by which air pollution can be caused. Okay. So, causes of air pollution we will study, but firstly, what is air pollution? Presence of unwanted substances, that is pollutants, in our air, it is called air pollution, right? Presence of undesirable, unwanted substances. Undesirable means same, unwanted substances in the atmosphere. Okay, presence of unwanted substances in the atmosphere, in our surrounding, in air, is called air pollution. Now, what are the causes of air pollution? The first cause is burning of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Students, petroleum, we all are using our vehicles, bikes, scooties, cars, aeroplane, train. Okay, so in all these things, what is the fuel? What is the fuel in all these vehicles? The fuel is petroleum. And when we ride our scooties, bike, scooty, bike, car, whenever we ride these vehicles, then in that vehicles burning of petroleum takes place. Okay, petroleum burns and then it gives us energy. It gives energy to our vehicles. Okay, petroleum burns and then it gives energy to our vehicles so that they can move. Okay, so burning of, and in nowadays also in some villages people still use coal for cooking purpose. Coal means the black pieces. If you have seen, then that is called coal, koila. In Hindi it is called koila. Okay, so whenever they cook food on coal, then coal burns, and then very harmful gases emits from these coal. Okay, very harmful gases comes out from these coal, from these petroleum. So in vehicles burning of petroleum takes place. For cooking purposes still few people use coal. Okay, so from this burning of coal, burning of petroleum, harmful gases emits, which causes air pollution. The next is industrial wastage from factories. Students, in our country there are many factories of different things. So from that factories, the smoke of that factories also cause air pollution. From that factories large amount of smoke emits, which causes air pollution. The next is mining activities. What is mining activities, students? माइनिंग मीन्स ज़मीन से खोद के कुछ निकालना. ओके, ज़मीन के अंदर से खोद के निकालना, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड डिग करके निकालना, खोद के निकालना, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, सो वेन एवर वी डिग द सॉइल, वी डिग द अर्थ, whenever we do mining activities, then some amount of harmful gases from earth's surface emits some amount of harmful gases and they go in our atmosphere and causes air pollution. ओके, तो जब भी हम अर्थ को डिग करते हैं माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए, वहाँ से सब्सटेंसेस निकालने के लिए, तो कुछ हार्मफुल गैसेस, बहुत सारी हार्मफुल गैसेस भी निकलती हैं अर्थ सरफेस के नीचे से, जो कि हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में जाके और हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर को पल्यूट करती हैं. दे कॉज एयर पोल्यूशन. Okay, the next is natural processes like volcanoes, tornadoes. Volcanoes and tornadoes are, the tornado is a storm, very high storm, in which the wind blows at very high speed. So when wind blows at this much speed, it takes the sand particles, the soil particles in it, and causes air pollution. And volcanoes, students, volcanoes, you can see when volcano eruption takes place, then from the earth's surface lots of harmful gases comes out in the atmosphere and causes air pollution, right? This is volcano. When volcano eruption takes place, then lots of harmful gases from the bottom of the earth comes outside in our atmosphere. This is called air pollution. Okay, so we have seen the causes of air pollution. Now we will study the effects of air pollution, how this air pollution affects our life. The first one is harmful pollutants. The first one is harmful pollutants like nitrogen dioxide can cause respiratory diseases, right? So air pollution, in air harmful particles are present, harmful gases are present. Okay, if air pollution is there, then it means harmful particles, harmful gases are present in air, and when we breathe that air, when we breathe in and breathe out that air, then those harmful substances can go inside our body, can go in our respiratory system, and they can cause diseases, respiratory diseases like asthma and all. Okay, in which we will not be able to breathe properly. The next is acid rain can affect aquatic life and natural vegetation. Okay, acid rain. What is acid rain, students? When first in a year, when first time raining takes place, when first time it rains, then at that time the acid particle present in our surrounding, they can come with the air, with the water, with the rain water, they come on the earth's surface, and this is called acid rain. Okay, जब भी स्टूडेंट जो एक ईयर की जो फर्स्ट रेन होती है, उसमें जो भी हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट हैं एयर में, दे मिक्स विद द वाटर, रेन वाटर, वो एयर रेन वाटर के साथ मिक्स होके अर्थ के सरफेस पे आते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एसिड रेन. ओके, मीन्स इन रेन वाटर एसिड इज़ प्रेजेंट, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एसिड रेन. एंड एसिड इज़ प्रेजेंट, एसिड कहाँ से आया रेन वाटर में? क्योंकि वो पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट थे हमारे, वो हार्मफुल गैसेस प्रेजेंट थी हमारे एयर में, जो कि वाटर से रिएक्ट करके एसिड बना लिया उन्होंने. ओके, एंड अब वो एसिड रेन वाटर के साथ अर्थ पे आता है, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड एसिड rain. Okay, the next is it can lead to depletion of ozone layer, means these harmful pollutants, these harmful air pollutants are harmful for our ozone layer also. What is ozone layer, students? In our atmosphere there is a very thick layer of gas is present, and that gas is called ozone. Okay, so in our atmosphere very thick layer of ozone gas is present which prevents the UV rays of sun to come on the earth, जिससे कि और ये ओजोन की जो मोटी सी लेयर प्रेजेंट है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के ऊपर, ये क्या करती है, इट प्रिवेंट्स द UV रेज ऑफ द सन टू रीच ऑन द अर्थ. सन से जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज निकलती हैं उनको अर्थ पे आने से प्रोटेक्ट करती है, रोकती है, प्रिवेंट करती है ये ओजोन लेयर. ओके, सो ओजोन लेयर इन एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स में क्या कर रहा है, ये दीज एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स आर डेप्लीटिंग द ओजोन लेयर. ओजोन लेयर को ये एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स जो हैं धीरे धीरे थिन बनाते जा रहे हैं, ख़त्म करते जा रहे हैं. हमारी ओजोन लेयर बहुत थिक है और UV रेज़ को अर्थ पे आने से रोकती है. सो UV रेज़ अगर अर्थ पे नहीं आएंगी तो लिविंग बींग्स सेफ रहेंगे. बट अब धीरे धीरे ये एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, ये ओजोन लेयर को थिन बनाते जा रहे हैं, ओजोन लेयर में होल बनाते जा रहे हैं. और अगर ओजोन लेयर थिन हो गई तो सन की हार्मफुल UV रेज अर्थ पे आने लगेंगी एंड दे विल बी वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. ओके, सो नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 15. Now what are the solutions and preventions of air pollution? The first one is using public transport instead of individual vehicles. Students, means अपनी अलग अलग बाइक, अलग अलग स्कूटी, अलग अलग कार चलाने से ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करें. पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट मीन्स लाइक बस इन विच मेनी persons कैन सिट इन वन टाइम, एंड ट्रेन, buses, okay, autos, these are called public transport, means in one time many people can go from one place to another place. So only if 6 people are sitting in one auto, then only that much, केवल उसी ऑटो से जो एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स हैं, जो एयर है वो पोल्यूट हो रही है, केवल एक ही ऑटो के मटेरियल एयर में जा रहे हैं. बट अगर वो सारे 6 लोग अपनी अपनी अलग अलग बाइक लेके चलेंगे, कार लेके चलेंगे, तो अलग अलग पोल्यूशन कॉज करेंगे. उन सबका व्हीकल अलग अलग एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स को एयर में रिलीज़ करेगा. ओके, सो वी शुड यूज़ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, means buses, autos, these are public transports. We should use these vehicles so that less amount of air pollutant can go in air. The next is garbage should not be burnt in open but properly disposed of. Garbage means kachra. We should not burn the garbage, okay, in open places or anywhere. We should not burn the garbage. There should be another method for their disposal. कचरे को कभी भी जलाना नहीं चाहिए. कचरे को डिस्पोज करने के और भी तरीके हैं स्टूडेंट्स, उनसे हम कचरे को डिस्पोज कर सकते हैं, गार्बेज को डिस्पोज कर सकते हैं, बट वी शुड नॉट बर्न गार्बेज. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज प्लांटिंग मोर ट्रीज. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज वी शुड प्लांट. ओके, प्लांटिंग ट्रीज कैन गिव अस अ प्योर एयर, planting trees gives us pure air and oxygen rich air. So we should plant more and more trees. Okay, so students, today we had studied about pollution. Now digestive system also we will study today, digestive system. So this pollution was a part of respiratory system. Air pollution was a part of respiratory system, because if air pollution will be there, then there will be problem in our respiratory system, in our breathing problem. Air pollution causes problem in our breathing. Okay, now another organ system, that is digestive system, we will study. Let's start. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus form the digestive system. Students, in our digestive system is made up of all these parts: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Okay, all these are the parts of digestive system. So see in this image, this is mouth, right? This is food pipe. Mouth continues to a pipe like a structure which is called food pipe. Food pipe joins with the stomach. This is the stomach. Stomach joins the small intestine, stomach joins with the small intestine, this is the small intestine, so stomach joins the small intestine joins the large intestine, and at the last large intestine ends in the at the anus. Okay, so these are the organs of digestive system. I told you every every organ system is made up of different organs, right? So the digestive system is also organ system which is made up of different organs, that is mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. These are the organs of the digestive system. Okay, the main function of this system is to break down the food into simpler substances to provide energy for studying, growing and playing. So what is the function of digestive system, students? Its function is to digest our food, right? Whatever food we eat, that food will go in our digestive system, and there the food will be digested. Digested means our complex food, whenever we eat any food, we eat complex food, right? Means in our food the complex substances are present. Complex means बड़े molecules present होते हैं, tough molecules, complex molecules are present in our food. Okay, so what is the function of digestive system? It will break that complex food into simpler substances. Okay, digestion means digestive system will digest the food. And what is the meaning of digest the food? Digest of food means that complex food particles will be converted to smaller simpler particles. Okay, large complex particles of our food will be converted to small simple particles. Okay, so this is called digestion. Okay, the breaking down of food into, you can see students, the breaking down of food into a simpler form to give energy is called digestion, right? And why digestive system convert that complex food into simpler food? So that to provide us energy. Okay, whatever complex food we eat, that food will be broken down into simple subparticles by the help of digestive system, and it gives us energy. It gives us energy for our daily life work, for study, grow, play, enjoy our life. Okay, so for all these things we need energy, and from where we get energy? We get energy from the food, right? Food gives us energy, and this food will be digested in our digestive system. Means the complex particles of food will be converted to simpler particles of food. This process is called digestion, and after digestion the energy is released, and that energy we use to do our daily life works. Okay students, so today we had studied the pollution and digestive system. Now on next turn we will study skeletal system and muscular system. Thank you.